All right, hyperbola, but I know it's a hyperbola because two squareds, one of them is negative, not both. That wouldn't be a hyperbola, just one of them. Now, man, I keep writing the wrong letter. This is so a Y. There we go. I'm going to group them and be careful not to get the wrong sign along the way. And I'm going to factor out a 9, first step. Factor out a -4, which changes that to a -4 also. Be uber careful on that. Okay, so I pulled it out of that, but I also pulled out a negative of that, which changes that sign. So divide by 2 and square is 1, but it's not really a 1, it's really a 9. Divide by 2 and square is 4, but it's not really a 4, it's really a -16. So, because my adding skills are not totally awesome, and I don't want to get this wrong on the video, I'm going to do all of that mad mess and get 36. And then I'm going to factor. Square root, sign in the middle. Square root, sign of the middle. Always the same, people, always the same. Divide by 36. We are working so hard to make these pretty for you, so enjoy them. Reduce that is 4. Reduce that is 9. Many people have been asking me, how do you know it's negative? Well, this is negative, bring it down. If that was positive, bring it down. You just make sure that you keep the sign that you're pulling out as you go. This time, we wanted the x coordinate of its lower vertex. So we're going to need to graph this bad boy. Over 2, down 1. Remember, opposite of the x, opposite of the y. So that is our center. The y is counting to y because it's with the y and it's a square root. In the x direction from my center, I count 3. Y because it's with the x and it's square root. And this was the hyperbola, which means we have all of this fun stuff. And the y was positive, so it's in the y direction, but it does hit the box at this section and this section, which is our question. Our question was, what is the x coordinate of the lower vertex? So the x coordinate is 2, -3. So 2 would be the answer that we're looking for in that one.